The household cleaners we use every day are usually sold in the form of concentrates. Some of them contain acids or alkalis which are highly corrosive, and they can corrode our skin and eyes. Therefore, we must be very careful when using these cleaners. Concentrated cleaners must be diluted before use. When diluting concentrated cleaners, we have to ensure good ventilation. Also, we have to wear plastic gloves to prevent contact with the concentrated cleaners. We may also wear plastic aprons to avoid the concentrated cleaners from corroding our clothes when they spill out. To dilute the cleaner, first we half-fill a plastic container with water. Then add the specified amount of concentrated cleaner to the water. While adding the cleaner to the water, we have to keep stirring the water so that the heat produced can spread evenly in the water. After adding the specified amount of concentrated cleaner, we can start the cleaning work.